Your Windows drive is losing gigabytes right now, and you've been told it's dangerous to fix it. It isn't. Microsoft's own support team confirms these 4 folders are safe to clear. Most people never touch them because they look like system files. They're not. They're leftover junk. I'll show you exactly where they hide and how to clear all 4 in under 3 minutes. No paid tools. No downloads. Just File Explorer. And 2 keyboard shortcuts. Before we start, right-click your C drive, open Properties, and note the free space number. We're comparing it at the end. First folder, Prefetch. Press Windows key plus R. Type P R E F E T C H. Press Enter. Windows will ask for administrator permission. Click Continue. This is expected. You're entering a protected folder Windows hides from normal browsing on purpose. Press Ctrl plus A to select everything. Press Shift plus Delete, not regular delete. Shift plus Delete skips the recycle bin and frees the space immediately. Some files will stay locked because Windows is actively using them. Click Skip and let the rest go. Done. Prefetch is clear. Second folder holds the most junk on most PCs. Press Windows key plus R again. Type %temp % with the % sign on both sides. Press Enter. This finds your personal temp folder on any Windows PC, regardless of username. Every crashed installer, every failed update, every app that closed wrong, none of it cleaned itself up. Press Ctrl plus A, then Delete. Standard delete is fine here. Skip any locked files. Done. That folder's clear. Third folder is Windows' own temp folder, separate from yours. Press Windows key plus R. Type %windeer %temp. Press Enter. Click Continue on the permission prompt. Same process, Ctrl plus A, Shift plus Delete. Skip anything locked. Done. 3 folders down. Here's the one almost nobody clears, and it's usually the biggest. Press Windows key plus R. Type %winder %software distribution /download. Press Enter. This folder stores every update file Windows has ever downloaded, including ones already installed months ago. On a PC that's never been cleaned, this alone can hold several gigabytes. Press Ctrl plus A, then Delete. If a file won't delete, skip it and move on. Windows may still be referencing the most recent update. Everything else is safe to remove. Windows rebuilds this folder automatically the next time it checks for updates. Done. All 4 folders are clear. Right-click your C drive again. Open Properties. Compare the free space number to what you wrote down at the start. That difference is exactly how much space Windows was quietly holding on to. One more thing. 30 seconds. Open the Start menu, Search,
Command prompt. Right-click it, run as administrator. Type IPCONFIG space / flush DNS. Press enter. That clears your DNS cache, old website routing data your browser holds onto. It won't free gigabytes, but it fixes random pages that won't load. Done.
4 folders. 0 paid tools. 0 risk. Microsoft confirms every one of these is safe to clear. If you want this handled automatically every week without doing it manually, I've got a video on setting up Storage Sense to do it for you. Watch that next.